Well, it's your girl Alicia. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn.
Hi loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today I'm back with another hair video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do a glueless install on this curly pixie cut wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely stick around and continue watching this video. This wig is one of my staple go-to summer bob wig. I've had it for well over a year now. Love to rock it at summertime because it's hot. The link to this hair will be linked below in the description box. So if you guys are interested, definitely go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and install. As you can see, I've already tinted the lace. And for install today, I'll be using the Eden Wonderlace adhesive active in the red can. I made sure to spray it in front of my hairline, and then I use my blow dryer on cool hair for it to get tacky before I put the lace on it. And I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers on camera.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in on me yard, them give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
After I applied the 3 layers, I pulled the wig in the adhesive and used my rat tail comb to press the lace in. Then I go back in over it with my blow dryer on cool hair. After I do that, I went over it again, so if there's any part of the lace that's lifting, to ensure that it is secured. And then I use my elastic band to melt the lace in further. And I had this elastic band on for probably over 15 minutes.
Original.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in on me yard, them give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. Just say
Then I did my baby hair with the Eco Styler gel. I did do a side part, as you can see from the intro. Then I put my elastic band over it again while I went in with my She Spun wax stick and hot comb. Then I pretty much just use water and my denim brush to activate the curl pattern and use my hands to scrunch the end of the hair for it to have that, you know, that nice look.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she gone low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me, yeah, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.
So if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and big up yourself.